Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the LCD in your iPhone X. So first of all, you have to buy a new LCD, like me. I just buy a AMOLED version or something like that. Yes, it's AMOLED, but it's not original one. So this is the LCD, and there we have our phone, which we have to change our LCD. So let's get started with the unscrew these both screws on the down here on the USB port. There will be two screws over here, two unscrews. So I will remove both of this. Now we have to lift up our LCD. Try it. Let's try another tool. Oh, let's clean it. Oh. Let's clean this bot thing, and let's it one more time. Try to put there something. Yep, that's me. I will put the metal element, and now I can lift up this LCD up carefully, and it's been ready to lift it up very gently and carefully. Yeah, that's it, baby. Okay, it's been done. Now carefully we have to lift up this both flex here. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the center of our screen. Be patient because all these four screws are different. Yep. So this is a case in this. Whoa, 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 whoa! How many flex we have here? I don't believe it. Oh my gosh. God damn it, mate. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Now we have to replace this element here to here, from here to here. Wow. Okay. Now let's lift up this plastic thing. It's been glued here, but I have to lift it up without destroying it. Okay, so let's fit it here. Remove these things because we have already this on our phone. Okay, it's fitted good. Let's see if we have some other parts to replace. No. So let's insert this thing, this little thing here. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, nice. It's not too hard to change it. It's been easy anyway, I think. It has 2 batteries. Wow. Okay. If it's been charging, have the cable here, so let's put it in. Yep, the battery is dead, so remove the battery. Anyway, the LCD looks good, so we have to assemble it on his place from the upper side to the down here. Okay, now screws. Our down screws on the next to the USB port. Yeah, that's right. Done. So we have now to charge up our phone. The old LCD is going to the trash. We don't need any more. And that's it about the replace the LCD in your iPhone X. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. As you see, we have made it in 11 minutes. So it's very, very easy as iPhone. So goodbye, and see you next video. Goodbye.